Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Thursday, December 21st. Orderly is the way I think of this market. If sellers were here, we should have really dumped. We didn't see that kind of action. I'm looking for an unchanged sideways type move here, maybe even a little bit lower, but I'm looking for a positive close on Thursday and I'm looking for volatility on Friday. Well, let's talk about these currencies. And what we can see here in the euro, it did firm up compared to some of these other currencies. Follow through, yes. I'm skeptical of this range. I think we have to be careful here on the long side, but I do look for follow through to the upside. But let's talk about notes. The 10-year note, I think, is right on target. If you look at the size of the moves, it's the right kind of rhythm. I'm looking for an inside to slightly lower move, not a big move to the downside. Gold, as we talked about, gold needs a reason to do something. I didn't think it had that reason, and I was looking for a down day on Wednesday, but instead buyers came back in. But can they follow through? Big challenges ahead for this market. Nothing telling us to be a seller at the current level, but I do want to be cautious. Crude oil also firmed up, and we did have some fundamentals that's helping drive that market. I do look for unchanged to higher, but again, I think we need to be cautious here. This could easily tip its way right back down. And soybeans, it continued lower, but it's the way it did it. And I call that a lead up to a false sense of security, so it puts us on alert that this market could be going higher. Right now, nothing telling us to be a buyer at the current levels, and I look for continuation of selling pressure. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. And in the meantime, take care.